All right, here we are again, Danny. Another powder day.
Another powder day.
We're at Mountain Frickin' Creek. Rare, first. It's my first actually in my lifetime having powder at Mountain Creek. So let's see how this goes. All right, guys. Patrick, how you feeling?
We are here. We are doing
Soap
it.
check 1 to 10.
Working our way up. We're at a good 7.8 right
About
now.
a 9.5.
Oh, Danny,
right,
stoked.
he's ready.
Hey, baby.
Ready.
I'm around that too, around a 9.
Yeah.
Once I hit the first car.
I am so excited.
I am so excited. Rock and roll.
Definitely face mask day.
What'd you say?
Definitely a face mask day.
Yes. And we have none. Oh, this is great. This is the first day at Mountain Creek where it's, you know, slow.
I actually do stuff.
Yeah. Did you pass some guy with dreadlocks?
Yeah.
What was his, he's okay?
He seems fine. He just, been struggling a little bit in heats now.
Oh,
But it doesn't hurt or anything.
okay. This is second day out. I don't think he's ever seen powder before.
Yeah.
We call him the sloth. Yes. You all right, Pat? All right. Woo. He's struggling, Danny. Yeah, he's struggling. That's what I'm talking about, baby. This is it.
Gotta say, Frank,
I'll go
I
get your
didn't think
board.
my best day of skiing this season
Would be at fucking Mountain Creek.